I'm Floyd Robertson.
And I'm Earl Cannonbear.
And this is the SCTV News. Fighting erupted in Albania yesterday as left-wing factionless forces attacked Albanian revisionists in downtown Tirana. The fierce struggle lasted a full day as heavy machine gun, artillery, and mortar fire was exchanged. There were no casualties.
On the local scene, Municipal Parks Commissioner Gerald Bing announced today that all city parks will be closed for the opening of Physical Fitness Week. He gave no reason for his decision. Floyd? No, it'll pass.
Well, a heavy earthquake registering 9.6 on the Richter scale rocked the tiny country of Togoland again. Yesterday, it was the 12th successive quake recorded in as many days. Togos are braced for a series of aftershocks. Earl?
The downtown...
Some water? Well, looks like Old Man Winter is here to stay. Meteorologists have predicted that we've officially entered the Ice Age as of yesterday. Therefore, we've officially entered the Ice Age as of yesterday. Meteorologists predict that we should move south in hordes.